Good morning. It's a bit of a breezy day coming up, but apart from an odd shower, mainly towards the far west, it's largely fine and dry. Bright or sunny spells and pretty mild in that southerly, temperatures up to 14 or 15 degrees. A bit more cloud starts to come in on that breeze later this afternoon. Generally a good deal of cloud around through the evening and night. That wind picking up a little bit further still, especially towards the east coast. Maybe the odd spot of drizzle, but at least it's staying mainly dry. Now it's still quite windy as we start tomorrow. A lot of dry weather for a good part of the day. Probably more cloud compared to today, but I think we will see some bright spells or hazy sunshine, especially towards the east for a time in the afternoon. Temperatures getting up to 15 or 16 degrees. Some wetter weather moves into the west later in the day. Quite a wet and breezy night to come tomorrow night. Thereafter, it's cooler for Friday and the weekend and pretty unsettled at times as well.